So we'll start this today's session. So I uploaded a test paper. The test questions based on the last two classes. Only 10 questions, 5 minutes. Now we'll discuss those questions. Aptitude questions and general knowledge questions are there. Okay. So in a competitive examination, the total number of questions 120. So 120 MCQ type. MCQ type means multiple choice questions. Question followed by options. 1 mark is awarded for each correct question. And for incorrect question, 1/3 of the mark will be deducted. That is, if the question is correct, you will get 1 mark. If the question is incorrect, you lose 1/3. That means you lose 0.33 marks. A candidate attempted out of 120 questions, attempted 92 questions. Of 92 questions, 83 questions correct. So, what is his or her mark? That is the question. Now, 92 questions attempted. Of 92, 83 questions are correct. Okay. So, of 92 questions, 83 questions are correct. So, what is his or her mark? So, 83 questions correct. 83 questions correct means you'll get 83 marks. Then how many questions incorrect? 92 minus 83, 9 questions incorrect. Therefore, minus 9 into 1/3 mark. This will be deducted. So that means 3 marks will be deducted. So therefore, 83 minus 3. So therefore, the mark 80. So the answer is 80. Understood? Okay, I'll explain again. In a competitive examination, total number of questions 120. Multiple choice questions. 1 mark is awarded for correct. And 1/3, 1/3 is minus 1/3 is deducted for incorrect. Incorrectly marked. As a candidate attempted 92 questions. Of 92 questions, 83 questions are correct. So what is his or her mark? So totally he or she attempted 92 questions. Of 92 questions, 83 questions correct. So 83 questions correct means 83 marks, because for each correct question 1 mark will be awarded. So how many questions incorrect? 92 minus 83. 9 questions incorrect. So for 9 questions, 83 minus 9 into 1/3 will be deducted. So therefore 3 marks will be deducted. Therefore 83 minus 3. Therefore the score is 80. Now second questions, economy. The basic economy, we have seen the 3 sectors of economy. 3 sectors. The primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. I said what are primary sector? Primary sector depend on Mother Earth. Nothing else. Secondary sector depend on primary sector, like raw materials, agricultural produce, etc. Tertiary sector. Tertiary means 3. Tertiary sector is services sector. So fishing. Fishing belongs to which sector of the economy? Fishing belongs to primary sector of the economy. 1. So answer for the second question is option A. That is primary sector. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can interrupt the class. So this is myself. So my name is RAJABOOPATHY, founder RADIAN IAS Academy. So from St. Joseph's College. So one of the oldest heritage college in India, more than 170 years old. The only heritage college from our state, Tamil Nadu. Our former president and the missile man of India studied in our college, BSc Physics. I studied MSc, BSc and MSc Mathematics. So I received a medal from him during 1990s. At the same time, understanding the subject, that is very important. Don't memorize and score mark. Understand everything, every subject, even including social sciences, including history. There are many things you need to memorize. Even in mathematics, you need to memorize. Formula padikano. Without memorizing formula, you cannot solve the problem. How will you find the area of a circle without memorizing the formula pi r squared? Learn the subject, understand the subject. If subjects puriyala, you ask the teacher, or you can ask me also in any standard, maths or science or social science. So when I see, for example, when you show your mark sheet to your parents, then immediately your parents ask, which subject mark? Which subject mark is your parents more interested? Which subject mark? Language, science, social science. Which subject they ask? They ask only maths. Why maths is most important? So even, for example, if you do IIT, BTech, or if a company is hiring you, assume that Google is hiring you or any top companies, they conduct campus placement test. In the campus placement test, it is called aptitude. They never test your subject knowledge. It will be tested in interview, but a written test consists of aptitude test. What do you mean by aptitude test? They'll test the basic maths and reasoning skills. Reasoning is the most important. If your reasoning is good, we'll see today reasoning class. I'll give an intro for reasoning class. If your reasoning is good, then you can learn anything. You are trainable. You are the required person for the company. Reasoning is directly proportional to your IQ. What is IQ? Intelligent quotient. Arivalin solluvaangalla. Learned person means have higher IQ, intelligent quotient. So therefore, if your reasoning and basic mathematics is good, then you are trainable. You learn anything easier when compared to others. And the Mahalakshmi says second is not understood. See, Mahalakshmi, I explained already. This is in the previous class. Did you attend the last class? So in the last class, I explained, very first class, I explained what are the three sectors of economy. I'll send you the link. If not attended, then attend the session, then you will understand everything. Okay. So now we'll go to third question. Which is the smallest composite number? Which is the smallest composite number? This is composite number. We all know that the prime numbers starts with 2. I said already 1 and 1 is neither prime nor composite. The prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. So the composite number starts with 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, etc. So what are composite number? A number has more than 2 divisors. Composite number. Okay. So therefore, what is the smallest composite number? Smallest composite number is 4. What is the smallest prime number? Smallest prime number is 2. So this is the next number in the sequence. This we can say that a logical reasoning question. Yeah, reasoning questions. You are supposed to use your brain, the reasoning skill, the reasoning ability to answer the questions. 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, what are these numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, 3, 5, 7 odd numbers are there, but even number also there. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7. This all must be having all same property. See, what are the properties? Okay, they are written all prime numbers. So therefore, 2, 3, 5, 7. Therefore, it is not 9. The next number is what? 11. 9 is incorrect. If somebody says 9, it is incorrect. So the correct answer is what? 11 is the correct answer. 2, 3, 5, 7. The next number is what? 11. How many proper divisors for the number 28? How many proper divisors? I already explained what do you mean by proper divisor. The number 1 and itself are improper divisors. For example, 15. What are the divisors of 15? 1, 3, 5, 15. 1 and 15 are known as improper divisors. 3 and 5 are called proper divisors. For every number other than 1, exactly 2 improper divisors. What are the 2 improper divisors? 1 and 15. So now we ask, how many proper divisors for number 28? 28, how many proper divisors? We'll see that. 1. So 1 is not a proper divisor, it is a divisor, that's all. So therefore 2, 4. So after 7, 14. Then 28. Actually I gave another number. Here they typed mistakenly. So therefore for this question, what is a proper divisors? So none of the options. So what is a proper divisor? So the proper divisors are 4. Proper divisors are 4. Actually I gave 48, they typed 28. Now tell me the number of divisors for 48. Number of divisors for 48. Number of proper divisors for 48. Calculate. Tell me. So how many? Very good. Kavi Prasad, Selvi and Vimala Datta and Kavin Prasad, correct. So total number of divisors 10. Of which the proper divisors 8. 1, but 1 is improper divisors. So therefore neglect that. But I'll write all the divisors. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, then 12, 24, then 48. Which number I missed? I can easily calculate. See, 1 and everything occurs in pair. 2 into 24. So 3 into the pair of 3 is missing. So therefore, what is a pair of 3? So 1 pair of 3 is missing. 8 into 6, 48. What is pair of 3? This is 16. Therefore, 16 is missing. 16 to 3. Therefore, please note that all occur in pairs. So therefore, if you miss any number also, you can find. For information, I will give an advanced concept. Try to understand. If a number is not a perfect square, is 48 is a square number? 48 is not a perfect square. What do you mean by perfect square? Square numbers. Square numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. They are perfect squares. 48 is not a square number. If a number is not a square, the total number of divisor is always even number. Note down this one. The total divisors of non-perfect square is always odd. That means, what are the divisors of perfect square? The total divisors of perfect square always odd. For example, you take number 36. Write down the divisors of 36. 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Count the number of divisors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See odd number. See here, total number of divisors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10. So total number of devices of 48, 10. But I asked proper devices. Proper devices means what? Neither one nor the number itself. So therefore, totally 8. If the answer, if the number is 48. Any doubt? Any questions? Okay. What is the answer for this? What is the escape velocity of Earth? Escape velocity of Earth. So here I am teaching, I am giving you the concept with respect to any competitive examinations you are going to write in the future to understand the present studying subjects also. So it is 11.2. The unit is very important. 11.2 kilometer per second. 11.2 kilometer per second. So therefore the answer is, find the odd man out. What do you mean by odd man? Odd man means, suppose 4 items are given. Of 4 items, only one is different category. All the 3 are alike. One is different. For example, can you say which is odd man? Which is singled out from the remaining? Light year is a unit of distance. It is not a unit of period. Kilometers also distance, measuring distance. Astronomical unit also measuring distance. I said it is 149.6 million kilometer or approximately 150 million kilometer. It is known as one arithmetic astronomical unit. But leap year is not a unit of distance. It is a time. So therefore, this is odd man. Any doubt? Next. Asteroids are celestial bodies revolving around the orbits of which orbits? The asteroids are celestial bodies revolving around the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Mars and Jupiter. Therefore, the option B is the answer. Next, 9th question. What is the average of first prime numbers? What do you mean by average? Average is otherwise known as mean. What do you mean by average, or what do you mean by mean? Mean means, suppose if they ask 5 prime numbers, mean add all 5 prime numbers divided by 5. Add all 5 prime numbers, divide by 5. The sum of all the numbers divided by the number of items. For example, there are 3 students whose ages are 15, 12 and 17. So what is the average? So what is the average? What is their average? So what is the average of the ages of the 3 persons? Then add everything, divide by 3. Average. Therefore 30. So 44. Divided by 3. Therefore the average is 44 divided by 3. So if we cancel, you will get 1. So here the average of first 5 prime numbers. What are the 5 prime numbers? 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 divided by 5. What is the answer? The answer is D. You add and divide by 5. Okay, next question. Last question. India launched an Operation Kaveri on April 24, 2023 to evacuate its nationals from which country? I have sent you the voice note also, audio notes of current affairs. Did you listen? There I mentioned this current affairs. What is Operation Kaveri? Now there is a crisis, the civil war is going on. What do you mean by civil war? Civil war means what? Can anyone tell me what do you mean by civil war? 1965, we had a war with Pakistan. It is Indo-Pakistan war. It is not a civil war. In 1962, Indo-China war. But what do you mean by civil war? Very good. So civil war means war inside the country, within the country. Fight within the people. It is called civil war. Another current affairs. There were fighting, clashes took place between the communities. One is tribal communities and other people. Which state? This is yesterday current affairs. Today current affairs. Today NEET examination held in every state except that particular state. Today by 5:20 p.m. NEET examination over. But NEET examination postponed for a particular state, one state, not held. Which state? Any idea? So I asked you to read newspaper, follow news periodically. The state of India is called Manipur. So there were crises in Manipur. So therefore the NEET is not held in Manipur. It will be held later. Logical reasoning is most important. I will give you the basic of logical reasoning. Logic. What do you mean by logic? Using our reasoning skill. Only human alone have reasoning skill. Computer is an idiot box. No reasoning skill for computer. If computer thinks, the research is going on, it is AI. What is AI? Artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence? Making the computers to think independently. At present, right now, computer does not think independently. Based on data, right now it analyzes the data and come to some conclusion. For example, in your mobile, if you search, for example, Sony TV, or if you search LED TV, then automatically you get a message or something related to LED TV whenever you search any other things. Even when you go to the Facebook, so automatically the LED TV advertisement comes. That is because of what? The AI tool. This is now recently the AI tool is using the data. It is called big data. This world is full of data only. Too much of data is there. That is big data. Data is a singular or plural. Now English. Data is a singular or plural. The word data. Singular or plural. Okay, very good. They said plural. What is the singular of data? What is the singular term for data? The singular term for data is datum. Please note that. Datum is the singular. Data is the plural. Similarly, byte is a singular or plural. Ramesh mentioned byte. Byte is a singular, different word. Byte is not the singular of data. Byte itself is a singular or plural. Byte is a plural. What is the singular? Singular is what? Bit. Bit. Normally the 8 bits are called 1 byte in computer science. Okay. Now what is logical reasoning? When there is a, if someone says that there is a smoke The logical reasoning finds origin in Rig Veda. In Rig Veda, there is a sentence. Rig Veda compiled. Rig Veda period is more than 3000 years old. In Rig Veda, there is a sentence like, there is a smoke. When there is a smoke, what is the conclusion? The conclusion is, there must be a fire. So this is reasoning. So reasoning skills are, I said, very, 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 very important. For example, some of the words are very important in reasoning skills. When I go to class and say, some students are intelligent. What do you mean by this? Some students are intelligent in the class. What does this mean? In the logic, you should understand properly each and every sentence. Without proper understanding of reasoning, without proper understanding of the sentence, will be a mess. Normally, the gossip and rumor, because of without proper understanding the statements. When I say some students are intelligent, means at least one or student intelligent in the class. At least one student intelligent in the class. Some students are intelligent. Does this mean some students are not intelligent? Tell me. When a teacher said some students are intelligent in the class, does this mean some students are not intelligent in the class? No. You cannot say, you cannot get a conclusion that some students are not intelligent in the class. If I say some students are intelligent in the class, it is a positive statement. The conclusion has to be positive. You cannot draw a negative conclusion from a positive statement. When I say some students are intelligent, that's all. At least one student is intelligent, that's all. You cannot conclude that some students are not intelligent, which is wrong. So this is the principle of the logical reasoning. When I say all students are intelligent, when I say all students are intelligent, then each and every student is intelligent. There, none of the student is not intelligent. Okay, so this is very, very important. So in mathematics, some means at least one. Even in English, you are supposed to differentiate between some words. This is pure English language. What do you mean by I have? What is the difference between these two sentences? Tell me. I have few money. I have a few money. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between these two sentences? Similarly, I have little water or little money. I have a little water. So what is the difference between these two? I have few means this is a negation. I have few money means nothing, not even a single paise. I have a few money means I have something, maybe 1 rupee or 2 rupee or 10 paise. Similarly, I have little water means no water. I have a little water means konjam thanni irukku artham. Some water is there in artham. Little. This is negation, these two statements. So understand this. So this is logical reasoning. So I have few money means negation. I have a few money means something is there. I have a little water means no water. I have a little water means some water is there. Now tell me, please answer this question. Everyone answer this question. This is a very basic question. This is a family. In a family, father and mother. Father and mother. They have two sons. They have two sons. Each son having two sisters. Each son having two sisters. So please note that father and mother, they have two sons. Each son has two sisters. Each having two sisters. What is the total number of members in the family? Tell me. Total members in the family. Total members in the family, how many? 7, 8, 8, 6. Okay. So the total number of, so I'll explain even in Tamil also. ஒரு வீட்டில் அப்பா அம்மா இருக்காங்க. அவங்க ரெண்டு பேத்துக்கு ரெண்டு பசங்க, ரெண்டு சன்ஸ், மகன்கள். அந்த ரெண்டு பசங்க இருக்காங்களா, ஒவ்வொருத்தனுக்கும் ரெண்டு ரெண்டு சிஸ்டர் இருக்கிறாங்க. அப்போ வீட்டில் மொத்தம் how many members? So அப்பா அம்மா ரெண்டு பேரு, two sons, each son two sisters, அப்ப 2 plus 2 4. Therefore everyone answered what? 8, which is incorrect. This is a normally people make mistake. This is a basic logical reasoning question. A basic logical reasoning questions where everyone make mistake. Please note that not 8. When each son is having two sisters means total number of sisters எவ்வளவு? ரெண்டு பேர் தான். The two sisters are common to both. So therefore the answer is 2 plus 2 plus 2. Therefore 6. Understood? Any problem in understanding this? சொல்லுங்க, புரியலனா I'll explain again. புரியுதா? அப்பா அம்மா ரெண்டு பசங்க, ஒவ்வொரு பையனுக்கும் ரெண்டு ரெண்டு சிஸ்டர். அப்படின்னா ஒவ்வொருத்தவங்களுக்கு தனித்தனியா ரெண்டு ரெண்டு சிஸ்டர் கிடையாது. ரெண்டே ரெண்டு வீட்டில் இருக்க சிஸ்டர் தான் ரெண்டு பேத்துக்குமே காமன். Therefore the answer is 2 plus 2 plus 2 6. பாருங்க, இங்க நிறைய பேர் you answered 8. 8 is incorrect. புரியுதா? Father and mother, they have 5 sons. Each son is having one wife. What is the total number of members in this family? Total number of members in this family. Father and mother, 5 sons. Each son is having one wife. So here wife is not common for all. So therefore separate. Therefore the answer is 2 plus 5 plus 5. So therefore total number of members. Again in a logical reasoning, you should, some of the words are very important, like what do you mean by minimum? Minimum, at least or same. Minimum or at least. For example, to pass, you need to score minimum of 35%. Or at least 35% means 35% or more. Next is called the maximum cap. Maximum limit. Maximum or at most. So at most means maximum, not beyond that. At least means minimum. And for example, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12, 13. Assume that this is a set, consists of these numbers. 10 numbers are there. This is called set A. How many elements in set A whose value is at least 5? Tell me. How many elements in set A whose value is at least 5? How many elements in set A whose value is at least 5? At least 5 means what? At least 5 means 5 or more. 5 or more. So at least 5 means 5, you should include 5. So therefore 5, 6, 9, 10, 12, 13. Therefore totally how many? 6. Now tell me, how many elements in set A? At most 10. At most 10. At most 10 means 10 or less. So 10 or less means these numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. So totally how many? Understood? Any doubt so far? Okay. A is the father of B, but B is not the son of A. Is this possible in a family? Anyone answer? A is the father of B. A means some person. B means another person. A is the father of B, but B is not the son of A. Is this possible? Yes, this is possible. Most of them answered no. Kavin Prasad answered B is a daughter. That's all. Correct? Mahalakshmi, Ramesh, Jagdish. Now understood? A is the father of B. Correct. B is not the son of A. Okay, fine. B is the daughter. புரியுதா? இது நார்மலா சொன்னா என்ன நினைப்போம் நம்ம? Oh no, how come this is possible in a nice family, in a good family? It is very possible. It is B is a daughter. So logical reasoning itself is an ocean. Okay. So there are many topics under logical reasoning. The logical reasoning and the aptitude and the basics of science and social science and basic of English language we'll see in the due course of time. Okay, right. So next in the logical reasoning, finding the next number in the sequence. Finding the next number in a given sequence. What do you mean by sequence? Sequence are a set of numbers written in some specific order. It follows some order. The sequence can be alphanumeric. Numeric means what? Using digits, numbers. Alpha means what? Alphabets. There are some sequences using both alphabets and numeric. For example, tell me what is the value of this A. What is the next number? Tell me anyone. What alphabet should come here? To answer this, you know, just ABCD. Kavin Prasad answered U, Sangeeta yes, Vinodadityan yes, Ramesh Raja T, Ram Ganesh U. What about others? A plus 2 is C. A plus 2 is B and C. C plus 3 is F. C, D, E, F. C க்கு அப்புறம் third letter is F. After F, fourth letter is J. After J, fifth letter is O. So after O, sixth letter is what? P, Q, R, S, T. Therefore, the sixth letter is, the answer is U is the answer. Understood? So these are coming under reasoning questions. They'll give like this. Bat equal to 23. Cat is equal to 24. What is rat? So whenever alphabets and numbers are given, then you must know the value of each alphabet. For example, A means 1, B means 2, C means 3, Z means 26. Like this will ask in many competitive examination. Now what is the value of rat? T means 20, 20th letter. A 1, B 2, therefore 23. T 20, A 1, T is what? 18. Therefore add everything. 2 plus 1 plus 20, 23. Here it is 3 plus 1 plus 20, 24. Therefore this should be, answer is what? 39. Next, find the value. Find the next number. What is the next number in the sequence? They are called sequence of numbers. They follow some order. Kavin Prasad. Incorrect. Your first answer is incorrect. These are all called cubes. We all know the perfect squares. This was cubic numbers. So what are cubic numbers? This is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. Therefore the last one is 6 cube. What is 6 cube? 6 into 6 into 6. 36 into 6. What is 36 into 6? 216. I'll teach many more speed maths techniques also in the next coming class. What do you mean by speed maths? Speed maths. What is speed maths? Speed maths means doing calculations faster. Doing calculations faster. For example, there are many methods are there. I'll teach a few in today's class. If a number ends with 5, the whole square can be easily calculated. For example, 35 into 35, you can easily multiply. How? The last two digits always 25. This number is 3. The next to 3 is what? 3 plus 1 is 4. Therefore, multiply 3 into 4, 12. That's all. So, 35 into 35 is 1225. For example, 45 into 45 is, you can immediately write, this is 25. Last two digits is always 25 because the number ends with 1. Then 4 into 5, next number. 4 into next number 5. 4 into 5 is what? 20. So, therefore, 20, 25. For example, what is 55 into 55? 5 into 5, 25. This is 5 into 6, 30. Understood? Now tell me, anyone, what is the value of 85? 85 squared. What is 85 squared? Come on, fast. 85 squared. So 85 into 85 always ends with 25. Very good. Most of them answer correctly. So 8 into 9. Next number of 9. 8 into 9 is what? 72. That's all. Even I can multiply 105 also. 105 into 105. What is 105 into 105? What is 5 into 5? 25. This number is 10. Now 2 digit. 10 into next number 11. What is 10 into 11? 110. That's all. Any number of this form can be multiplied by this method. I said this is a general format. Must ends with 5. These two should be same. Any number of these form can also be multiplied. For example, x into y, x into z, such that y plus z is equal to 10. It is not x into 25, it is x into x plus 1 into 25. Understood? Sangeeta? It is not x into 25. The multiplication is what? X into x plus 1 into 25. So others may not know because this is a little complicated maths. Please note that I am teaching you the basic maths only. I am also handling classes for IIT mathematics. IIT level mathematics also. So that is ultra maths. So the most difficult examination in India at present is IIT examination. When compared to NEET, IIT is tougher. When compared to IIT, NEET is simpler. IIT is the most difficult examination. Please try to write IIT examination. For IIT, physics, chemistry and mathematics. Mathematics 50% weightage, physics 25, chemistry 25. In NEET, biology 50% weightage, physics 25, chemistry 25. How many are planning to appear for IIT examination in the future? IIT, Indian Institute of Technology. This is the premier, the topmost educational institutes in India. You know the CEO of Google. CEO of Google studied at IIT Madras. So those who want to write IIT examination, JEE, advanced and mains, you should thoroughly understand the basic concept of 11th and 12th. That's all. That's enough. Not more than that. The basics, understanding of mathematics, physics and chemistry. All the best for Ramesh and Danishka to excel in IIT. And Panjiyappan also. Which standard Ramesh now? Danishka which standard now? Panjiyappan which standard now? Study. Okay. Next. I said if any numbers of this format, 72, 78, same concept. So when will I apply this rule? Whenever the sum of the unit digit must be 10. If ends with 5 also 10. These two must be same. Therefore 8 into 2 is 16. What is 7 into next number? 7 into next number is 8. 7 into 8 is 56. Mahalakshmi also. Very good. Mahalakshmi now 8th standard. So now multiply. Answer this one. Mahalakshmi. What is the answer for this? Tell me. What is 93 into 97? 93 into 97. 93 into 97. 7 into 3, 21. Very good. 9 into 10. Mahalakshmi, what is the mistake? 9 into 10. What is 9 into 10? 90. So 90, 21. Understood? What is 64 into 66? What is 64 into 66? 6 into 4. 24. 6 into 7. 42, 24. 42, 24. I'll take another 10 minutes. Any two-digit any multiplication, not only two-digit, any multiplication can be verified easily. Whether this is correct or not, I can easily verify. How I am going to verify? This is called root number in maths. What do you mean by root number? I'll take another 10 minutes, that's all. What do you mean by root number? Root number is, it is not square root number, it is different. Square root number is different, this is root number. What is root number? Sum of the digits until you get a single digit. This is also known as lucky number. How will you find the lucky number for your number, your car number or your vehicle number? Unga two-wheeler number ku eppadi how will you find the lucky number? Suppose the two-wheeler number is 7245. What is the lucky number? The lucky number means add up the digits. Add the digits. 7 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5. So what is the value? This is 18. Then again add 1 plus 8, 9. So therefore, this is the root number of this number 7245. Rida? Understood? Find the root number of 4896. Find the root number of 4896. Find 8 plus 4, 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 9, 21. 21 plus 6, 27. So 2 plus 7, this is 9. Find the lucky number of for this number. Find the lucky number for this number. Verify, are you getting 3? See, 9 plus 8, 17, 18, 18 plus 3, 21. 21 means 2 plus 1. So this is called root number or lucky number. Now how do you verify? How do you use? What is the advantage? Applications of this number. Any multiplication can be verified. Any multiplication can be verified. For example, what is the 35 into 35? I am going to verify this multiplication. What is 35? What is the lucky number of 35? 35, 8. This is also 8. This multiplication. Therefore, 8 into 8, 64. 64 means what? The lucky number is 1. Verify whether the answer lucky number is 1. If the answer lucky number is 1, the answer is correct. Yes, this is 10. Therefore, this is also 1. Purida, inga parunga. What is the lucky number of 55? 1. 1. What is 1 into 1? 1. Verify whether the answer lucky number is 1. It should be 1. Verify this. What is 93? 93 means 3. 97 means 7. 7 into 3, 21. 21 means 3. Verify whether this is 3. Yes, this is 12. 12 means 3. Therefore, the answer is verified. Now, verify this. Whether this multiplication is correct, verify. You yourself verify. 7 plus 2, 9. This is 7 plus 8, 15. 15 means 6. 9 into 6, 54. 54 means 9. Whether this is 9 or not, verify. 11, 12, 18. 18 means 9. Therefore, correct. Purida, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Now, the fast I went fast, I explained fast. Able to understand? But this is basic things, therefore I went fast. Understood or need to explain again? If I am going to give you, with this I will finish today's session, riddle. I am going to give you a puzzle. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Yesterday I gave you the concept of natural number. Write down. Don't write in chat box. Don't write your answer in chat box. Write down everything on your note. Think of a natural number. Any natural number. Think of any natural number. உங்க நோட்ல எழுதிக்கங்க. Chat box ல எதுவும் டைப் பண்ண வேணாம். Don't type anything in the chat box unless I inform. So think of any natural number. 4 னு வச்சுக்கங்க, 10 னு வச்சுக்கங்க, 20 வச்சுக்கங்க. Any natural number. Think of any natural number. Multiply your number by 6. Don't tell the answer. Write down everything. Totally 5 steps are there. After 5 steps, I'll tell you the answer. You don't tell anything. You don't tell anything. I'll tell you your answer. Okay. So your number into 6. Your number multiplied by 6. Suppose if your number is 10, then 10 into 6, 60. So you got answer. Multiply this answer with 3. Multiply your answer with 3. Now you got a number. You got answer. For this answer, find the root number or lucky number. Don't tell, 2 more steps are there. I'll repeat. Think of any natural number, multiply by 6. You got answer. The answer into 3. Then you got answer. Find the lucky number or root number. What is lucky number or root number? Add up the digits. Sum the digits till you get a single digit. Now you have a lucky number. Lucky number into 5. The lucky number into 5. You got answer. Minus 40. Minus 40. Minus 40. I told you many a time, don't type anything. First understand. So minus 40, your number minus 40. Then plus 2. Daniska, I never told you to type the answer. Type any number. Why you alone typed when everyone is not? Okay. So now you got an answer. Don't type. Now you got an answer in your notebook. So verify everyone got today's date. இன்னைக்கு தேதி உங்க நோட்ல வந்திருக்கா? லாஸ்ட்ல ஃபைனல் ஆன்சர். நான் உங்கள்ட்ட எதுவுமே கேட்கல பாருங்க. I didn't ask anything. I asked you to think of any natural number. அப்புறம் சில ஸ்டெப்ஸ் சொன்னேன். உங்களுக்கு ஃபைனலா ஒரு ஆன்சர் வந்திருக்கும். அது இன்னைக்கு டேட். அதாவது இன்னைக்கு டேட் என்னன்னு கேக்குறீங்களா? உங்களோட ஆன்சர் 7 வந்திருக்கா? 7 வந்தா நீங்க கரெக்டா போட்டிருக்கீங்கன்னு அர்த்தம். Followed the steps. Have you got 7? How this is possible? I never asked you anything. Everyone is being in your respective places. Many different places. I asked you to think of any natural number, then some followed by some certain calculations. But final answer also I gave you. So you got 7. How this is possible? If the same problem, if you do the same problem tomorrow, you will get 8. Same steps. Abdiya? Is this true? Think over it. There's a homework for you. Why this is so? Think over it, you will understand. Later I'll explain the basic concept behind this. That is also very important for properties of number 9. Kavin Prasad almost found. That's a property of 9. I'll explain in detail in the next session. Next session I'll inform later, maybe after a break we'll take the session. I'll inform the next session later. Any other queries? Any question? So this is being a holidays and we have also other work. So we are planning to start a new batch from next month only. Anyway, I'll inform the date and everything. the schedule, everything through WhatsApp. The new batch. Till then, I'll admit you in Junior IAS app. There you can watch many classes. I'll send you some of the recording classes. Till then, you can watch those recording classes. But the new live session starts from next month. As I informed, the 2 days a week. Just 1 hour, 1 hour. Thank you. So therefore, WhatsApp to this number. Those who already sent me not to send again. Others, those who are watching this class now itself. People on the classes you are watching this class on YouTube or anything. You just WhatsApp Junior IAS to this number. WhatsApp, save this number in your mobile because we send you by broadcast so that no message will be missed. You must save this number and then WhatsApp. Otherwise, the message will not be delivered because we send not individually through broadcast. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session. So this is a Junior IAS Foundation course. This is exclusively for school students and college, maybe first year, second year, they can attend. We cover the competitive exams, basic maths, reasoning, general knowledge, that is science and technology, current affairs, social science, everything we cover. பசங்களுக்கு பண்ற மாதிரி மெதுவா போயிட்டே இருக்கும். இது அப்படியே ரவுண்ட் த இயர் போயிட்டே இருக்கக்கூடிய ப்ரோக்ராம். வீக்லி 2 days we plan. Wednesday and Friday. It will be live class as well as recorded classes இருக்கும். Recorded. எந்த கிளாஸும் மிஸ் ஆகாது. உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது எக்ஸாம் பசங்களுக்கு இருந்தால் கூட நீங்கள் அப்புறம் அதை வாட்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ வீக்லி 2 hours அப்படிங்கும்போது நீங்கள் லேர்ன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு டைம் இருக்கும் கண்டிப்பாக. அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி டெஸ்ட் இருக்கும், சில ஆடியோ நோட்ஸ், கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸும் வில் சென்ட் யூ. ஸோ இப்போ ஃப்ரீ ஆக்சஸ் உங்களுக்கு இந்த மாதம் ஃபுல்லாக ஃப்ரீயாக அட்டன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு இந்த நம்பரை சேவ் பண்ணிட்டு வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் ஜூனியர் ஐஏஎஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டோட பேர், ஸ்டூடெண்ட் என்ன கிளாஸ் படிக்கிறார், அப்புறம் அந்த பிளேஸ் எந்த பிளேஸில் இருந்து அப்படின்னு ஒரு மெசேஜ் பண்ணுங்க. இது கிளாஸ் மோஸ்ட்லி இங்கிலீஷில் தான் இருக்கும். மீடியம் இங்கிலீஷ். இது பின்னாடி ஜூன்ல இருந்து புது பேட்ச் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கு. அது உங்களுக்கு நாமினலா தான் இருக்கும், மந்த்லி ஃபீஸா தான் இருக்கும். So those who are interested can enroll after attending a few classes free. Thank you.